We are in Jiangsu, Guangdong, Beijing, Shandong, Kandu, Shanxi, Xinjiang. We are Anrot-Deeply cultivating the field of automotive power for 22 years. Integrates R&D, production, installation, and after-sales. Join hands with HKS Japan and Eaton USA. Garrett top brands such as DarretIt. It has grown into a domestic automobile, the first-line benchmark in the power industry. From family cars to business cars, from hardcore cross-country to track beasts. We offer turbo kits for every passion. Supercharger Kit, ECU program upgrade and all series of heat dissipation products. 22 years, it's not just a scale of years. It is the tempering of technology. Each set of pressurization kits, after thousands of hours of rigorous bench testing. Each set of ECU programs, all calibrated by senior engineers. Each installation is delivered strictly follow the original process standards. Consistent, dedicated service,